Welcome to the Invisible Map, why library classification matters. Have you ever thought about the magic behind how libraries work? We are diving into the hidden system that makes finding knowledge possible. Imagine a time lapse, starting with a chaotic pile of books, then magically snapping into perfectly organized shelves. That's the power of classification. Imagine a library with zero organization, utter chaos. You'd never find anything. Classification solves this problem entirely. But how does it work? And what are the benefits? Contrast a frustrated student hunting randomly with a happy one quickly finding exactly what they need. Classification is the difference. First, classification groups similar ideas together, leading to serendipity. You find books you didn't even know you needed, simply by browsing a section. Second, it gives every item a fixed home. The call number acts like a permanent address on the shelf. And third, it makes searching incredibly fast. No more random, time-consuming hunting for your required material. Whether you use the Dewey Decimal or Library of Congress systems, these are the standards that organize the world's knowledge. These systems use specific codes, like 813.54 for a modern American novel, or PR 6063.A34 for a specific author's work. The core goal is simple: to bring related knowledge physically close together. By organizing knowledge, we spark curiosity and directly help accelerate learning and discovery. So what's the takeaway from understanding this classification system? Library classification is far more than just shelves. It is the fundamental structure that holds centuries of information. It's the invisible map to human knowledge, guiding you effortlessly through vast oceans of information. Go explore your library's map today and unlock the world of knowledge waiting for you.